I am Sujata Patil from Pune, and today I am showing you a very popular vegetable dish from Maharashtra, which is Aloo bhaji. So these are your Arbi ke patte or Aloo as we call it in Marathi. To the chopped Aloo we'll be adding ambat suka, which is a leafy vegetable which is acidic in taste. So the chopped aloo and suka you mix and then pressure cook it without adding too much water. Just enough to soak the leaves. So these are both the vegetables boiled together. Okay, I'm going to start mixing the boiled vegetable. First you have to kind of mash it. So I've mashed the boiled leaves. I'm going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding first besan because it helps bring the vegetable together. To the mixture I'm adding salt, a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, green chilies into it. I'm not chopping them. You add a little bit of gur also because the sabzi has to be khatta meetha slightly. So I'm adding roughly a tablespoon of gur. I've soaked some chana dal, which also has to go into it. The reason you soak it is so that it cooks faster. So it's been soaked for about 4 hours now. Soaked peanuts, soaked cashewnut pieces, a little bit of sliced copra, a little bit of mooli slices. They add to the flavor. Okay, so now I've put all the ingredients. Now I'm mixing it, and now we're going to cook this. I'm adding a little bit of water to make it slightly more fluid because once the besan starts cooking, the sabzi gets thick. You can see the vegetable is cooked. First of all, it's been bubbling over for a while. Now we prepare the tempering. So I'm going to put some oil to heat. So to the hot oil I'm adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, pinch of hing and turmeric. I'm turning off the flame. So I'm adding the tempering to the vegetable now. And there you are, the aloo bhaji